No, no, choose fast.
I don't know what infection. Wow, this time.
We're going.
Are you serious? What the hell are we going?
We're flying. So yes, you were right. We are going to the God's own country. What is the God's own country?
Kerala?
Yeah.
God. Are you serious? I've never been to Kerala.
I know. That's why. Flight was 6:35. Because of the weather condition, I got a call at 2 a.m. saying the flight is cancelled.
Ouch.
Booked the flight like 30 minutes back now.
Are you serious?
Wow, what a beautiful view, man. This place is, oh my god. So we found dolphins and so beautiful. They are so beautiful. Let's see if I can capture it for you guys. Good morning. Oh, look at the beautiful view that we woke up with. So today, it's day 2. It's 7 o'clock. We got up a little late. We had to reach the destination at around 6:45 a.m. We are doing surfing, something new, and that's the best part in Varkala. You have to do surfing. So let's see how that goes. So, stand here. Tell me, how was the experience?
Oh my god. As paid for this experience, actually. It's something you don't wanna miss out for sure, and you wanna keep trying until you get it. So I kept trying. I got it 2 or 3 times, but it's really interesting. You get to balance your body. So I like it. I would try it again some other time, but not this time. But this was an amazing experience. Thank you, Jolly.
Thank you for doing it sportively. You were very good for the first time.
Thank you.
So, the trainer who was teaching him was so impressed with him. Literally, she would just take him and go away. She's like, within one day, like within few minutes, how did you learn? I don't have to teach you anymore. Go, go, go. She was so impressed with him. And yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't do it. But looking him do, it was amazing. I was really happy. And I hope you liked the thoughtful sports experience that I like planned for you before you turn a year younger. Okay, see you then. Let's see what's next.
Thank you. See you. Thank you, Dolu. Hi, Boo.
Hi guys. So it's day 2. Morning we completed surfing. Pretty exciting yet very tiring. And we
Wait.
just
Not me. I completed surfing.
yeah, you did complete, but I had to take care of everything, no? So I was tired, and then we both slept, freshened up, got up, and now we are going for lunch. We have decided some places to go. Let's see how the days is gonna be. After that, we'll come take some pictures, videos, and then we'll go for a very soothing massage.
Okay. I like the way you say it. Cool.
Okay, guys. So see you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy birthday.
You Boo.
How are you feeling that you woke up on the beach side? We saw fishing and that's our room. How are you feeling?
Oh, I love this sound. My God. Waking up with this sound is like.
I'm excited to see what's gonna come today.
There's more to come.
Yeah.
Okay, I already got enough surprises.
This
What
is
is it?
just the beginning.
It's the beginning.
actually now. We're going to a very old temple here in Varkala that's called Janardhan Swami Temple. It's very old, around like 2000 years old temple. It has specific timings and dress code. Tried my best to wear full dress here in Varkala, and yeah, it's his birthday, so starting the day with blessings. I hope his all wishes come true, and may God keep him healthy, wealthy, and happy. So yeah, let's begin the day this way. See you.
Hi, dog.
Hi, happy birthday!
Thank you. Hey guys, so sad that it's coming to an end, and hey guys, it's finally coming to an end. I just can't express that this trip is actually a sponsored one and a very beautiful one from the start till the end. Everything was planned by the sponsorer, and that's none other than me.
I'm glad that he loved the whole of the itinerary plan, and very excited that this all happened. I hope his birthday was nice. Before we end the trip, we have a little surprise for you again before the sun sets. So hope he likes that as well. So wait, don't go anywhere, watch it. And yeah, thank you for being the best partner for the whole trip, and thank you for trusting me to take over all of this.
oh,
I hope you love the surprise.
I love it. I who can expect such big surprise? Randomly one day she says that we have to get up at 3 o'clock and leave to see a Nandi Hill sunrise, and I ended up at Kerala, and she made me watch sunrise from the aeroplane. My God, who plans like this? She does really love me, huh? Thank you so much, wife. Thank you so much. I needed this break big time, and you helped me get out of few things. So I am really thankful, and I love you, and you're the best.
Oh, I love you too. It's looking crazy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh. Come, wish him. Oh. Chalo, go up. Go slow. Left. No, let it be. Volume high करो. Look what's written.
Happy birthday, husband. I know, I saw.
Sunset and you.